If paving could improve air quality, you'd use it, right? Air pollution, or poor air quality, has become a major problem. Britain's cities are choked with toxic pollutants. Air pollution, caused by noxious exhaust gases, are collectively referred to as NOx, and road transport is the largest source of NOx in the UK. NOx is a generic term. It refers to nitrogen oxide and nitrogen dioxide, both of which are produced during combustion. NOx is a toxic gas which inflames the lungs. Lung inflammation puts asthmatics at increased risk of attacks. Heart attack rates rise during air pollution surges. Children exposed to NOx have smaller lungs. Air pollution has been linked to slower improvement in cognitive development in children and cognitive decline in older people. Links between air pollution and brain disease is a developing science. Britain's 12 million diesel cars, 4 million diesel vans, 688,000 diesel trucks and buses now burn 22 million tonnes of diesel a year. Scientists estimate air pollution is linked to 60,000 premature deaths a year, about a tenth of Britain's annual total, more than obesity and alcohol combined. Clean Air in London recently reported that in London and across Europe, air pollution is killing more than 10 times the number of people dying from road traffic accidents. At its simplest, in public health terms, invisible air pollution is where smoking was 30 years ago in terms of the scale and certainty of the risks and the lack of public understanding of them. The World Health Organization reported that in 2012, around 7 million people died, 1 in 8 of total global deaths, as a result of air quality exposure. A subsequent World Health Organization report in 2015 stated the financial cost of air pollution in Europe stands at more than 1.5 trillion a year, equating to about a tenth of the gross domestic product of the continent. The UK has breached EU limit values annually since 2005. The government has been ordered by the UK's highest court to take immediate action over its obligations under EU law on air pollution limits. It's a worldwide problem, with the UK having some of the most polluted air in Europe. London's Oxford Street has recorded the highest level of NOx in the world. It's so bad that apps have been developed for pedestrians and cyclists to plot safe routes around London. But it's not just a problem in London. There are 43 air pollution zones in the UK. 38 currently exceed EU air quality directives. Towns and cities in up to 30 of the 43 air pollution zones will still breach air pollution limits for NOx in 2020. Those zones are located all across the UK. It is clear air pollution is a huge problem which needs concerted action. There isn't an easy answer or a single silver bullet solution to improve air quality, but AirPave can help. AirPave is a revolutionary yet affordable development in photocatalytic concrete. There are a number of materials that display photocatalytic behaviour and are able to oxidise and break down pollutants. Titanium dioxide is one such material. Advances in nanotechnology have resulted in the production of photocatalytic cement such as TSM, which incorporates titanium dioxide. Our unique manufacturing processes utilise TSM in an innovative and efficient manner. The result is AirPave, a new and affordable environmental product which harnesses tried and tested nanotechnology. The concrete surface of AirPave decomposes harmful NOx by means of photocatalysis. Natural daylight is sufficient for initiating the photocatalytic degradation of harmful NOx into harmless nitrates, which are then washed away by rainfall. The photocatalytic reaction does not diminish with time and is continuous. In tests, 40% of NOx was immediately oxidised into harmless nitrates. TSM cement complies with the European standard for cements, and durability properties are the same as standard cement. It's ecologically clean and neither toxic nor hazardous to health. AirPave has been approved as TX Active. TX Active is a quality label for the photocatalytic activity of building materials, which is widely used throughout Europe. So, if you were offered cost-effective photocatalytic paving with titanium dioxide, which was TX Active and able to reduce air pollution, you'd want to find out more, right? If that cost-effective paving looked and performed as well as any industry-leading brand, you'd be interested, right? If that cost-effective paving had one of the lowest carbon footprints, you'd be impressed, right? If that cost-effective paving was made from locally sourced materials and was up to 80% recycled, you'd specify it, right?